Hello, welcome back to our channel. We are so happy to have you here. I am Keisha Paris and my daughter's name is Bella Chanel. If you are new, welcome aboard. We are happy that you decided to click on our video and hope that you will enjoy and become a part of Bella Lala Naturals YouTube family as well by subscribing. In our Valentine's haul video, I mentioned that I'll show you how to DIY your own heart-shaped wreath, so you will see how in this video. Also, you may have seen from our dining room furniture flip and makeover video our exquisite DIY floral and plant decor. As promised, you will be viewing how to create your own as well. So, let's flow right into this video. Let's begin with the palm trees. An awesome tip is, instead of purchasing one palm tree for almost or more than the price of two, you purchase two for the price of one. And you can find some great deals in stores like TJX Companies, At Home, not your home or my home, the At Home store, Burlington, Ross, Target, or Amazon. I purchased these two from Amazon, but no worries, I'll also do my best to include in the description box down below where I purchased many of these items used in this video. While I was inserting the branches, these two couldn't be inserted any further, so I decided to work around this manufacturer issue because time was of the essence. These branches would be hidden anyway, so I can live with it. I wanted larger pots that can also go with the color theme of the dining room furniture, so I figured these two that I already have will do the trick with a little reindeer moss to add to the tree's natural appeal. And maybe by adding the moss, I can sprinkle some fairy dust and they magically transform into real Caribbean palm trees with coconuts and all. See, it's already happening. You can use floral foam blocks to create many of your DIY floral decor looks, but there is another easier and cost-effective way that you can use to achieve that similar natural appearance, which you will see in a bit. And of course, as you know, you can use your glue gun and sticks to secure the foam in the pot. When I saw this at a store, I said, aha, I can use this to show you what was used to create this look. I think it's absolutely fine in purchasing your floral decor, but if you are a creative person, you enjoy creating because of the joy it brings, then you get to share to inspire. This pot is one of our Christmas DIY golden decor item that was already uploaded on here. This is how it used to look. You are gonna need these while you're working: gloves, lemon water, mask. This is the cost-effective thing that you can use to fill in your plant pots to create that natural appearance to allow your faux flowers and plants to appear more real. Soil is the golden gem to get the job done. Wanna say hello? A great self-care tip is while you are DIYing, your hair can be getting loads of moisture love with your DIY dip treatment conditioner, so none of your time gets wasted, especially when there's lots to juggle in your home. You've got options, honey. So you can take some of the reindeer moss, spread it on top of the soil as top layering, but that's if you wanna. You can remove the labels like so or with a scissors. As you visualize, you're gonna see how to create balance, so I figured to do like so. You'll get a sense of what you need to do as you move along. Therefore, you make the necessary changes or you adjust. It's just like in other things in your life. You use your brilliant mind to make things work for you based on what you see. Based on what you see, you then realize it's better to marry the two together to create a more balanced, harmonious look. Absolutely exquisite. The 10 pieces of plants from the Dollar Tree cost $12.50. The plant pot is about $5 to $7. The soil is used for multiple items, so let's not add that in. Then add tax and it still ranges under $20. You and I both knows that this can definitely cost us way more if we had to purchase it. Let's get some sweet treats in to get that high energy going so you and I can complete these tasks. Just like this cup, sometimes things doesn't always go the way how we want it, but we still find the courage and ways to keep moving forward with God's guidance and grace. No more soil, I protest. No more soil. Come on, Bella. No more soil. That's right, okay. You are going to see how to use the foam and the moss to create this look. In life, when one door closes, sometimes it's God protecting us for better opportunities to enhance our lives. Through the disappointments and hurt, we become sharper and quicker thinkers, just as this knife, with strength, courage, wisdom, and understanding to do better, and also to be better prepared mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and even financially for what's to come. You also become more knowledgeable to be a good resource to assist or inspire others. So, no matter what, keep your head up, stay positive, and prayed up. Move in silence, keep going, and watch how the hands of God pour blessings upon your life. I decided to use this knife since that's what was closest to me, but for safety purposes, you may want to use a butter knife or another flat wooden object that can fit between spaces like this. I'm thinking a flat long popsicle stick might work. But if you have other ideas, please comment below and let me know. I would appreciate it very much to add to my creativity. Thank you. I decided to leave the back this way because I didn't anticipate that I wouldn't have enough space to be able to fill it in with the reindeer moss. So we learned a tip together. Cut off a little bit more to achieve that result. Good thing is, where I'll be placing it, it will not be visible and I can leave with that. Okay? Here at Bella Lala Naturals, we welcome imperfections. It's what makes us humans. So, do what works for your household. It's your business anyways, so just do you. Just do it like the Nike logo. Just do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Sometimes less is more, as you know. So let's remove this that's making it look like if it's about to take flight. This was my first idea, even though when I placed the wreath on the door, the shell heart shape will lean against it. I think the jute twine in between will not look flattering, so I decided to use the larger shell wreath instead. You will see how much easier it was inserted. Since that I'll be hanging the wreath on the screen door, I'll need some extension. So this is a great tip to use. You will see it on the door in a bit. To create two looks, after you and your family enjoyed the first look, you can switch things up like so by using your glue gun to attach the smaller wreath to the larger one. To get a better visual of where you want the flowers to be placed and also to create a more aligned, balanced look, this is a great tip to use. So you can then apply the glue to the flowers to place them back on the same spot. You can also glue the shell wreath onto the larger one, but for easier removal, you will see what to do in a bit. As you are applying the glue, it creates little glue strings as you move along, but it's an easy cleanup, and for some reason the pulling off of the glue and rolling it in my fingers is so satisfying. It's just one of those things. Don't judge me. Now you do a test drive to ensure all of the flowers are holding up well. Like, look at this. It's like the greenery and shell wreath were meant for each other. They fit so well without applying glue. It's a match made in floral heaven. Hallelujah. Wouldn't you say? This is absolutely gorgeous. If you want to see more lovely heart-shaped items, please feel free to look at our Valentine's Come Shop With Me and haul videos. The other wreath that you are viewing, I didn't create, it's a purchase, and it goes so well with the heart-shaped one. You will see how they look on the side and front doors. This is how it looks on the side door, and you will see how the heart-shaped one looks on the front door. But due to a weird smell in the entryway area that we realized after we moved into that apartment, we discontinued use after HPD reported mold. That's why you are seeing the door is slightly opened using a piece of cardboard so air could have flowed through, especially during the day. But don't allow any negativity from anyone to stop you from making your home welcoming and beautiful. Your home should be your sanctuary and in safe conditions to live in, and we must treat it as such. Thank goodness we no longer live there. But during the ups and downs of living there, I recorded lots of content that I would like to continue to share and can be beneficial to you. So let's continue with viewing more gorgeous content. So we have the white ones, and these I got from Central Beach when we go to Long Island. Okay. And then we're just gonna use like the white ones, like things to go with the color of the cabinet, right? We want to stay within the theme. So I'm thinking to use some of the heavier ones in the bottom of the pot. Okay, show the pot. So we're gonna start putting them down here. Just so I could see what's happening from here. I'm gonna like put some of these like drizzle some of the trimmer ones in between. And you take these guys again. And maybe some of food here. Started?
Yep.
So then like any spaces. Use a chopstick.
Don't get that one far away.
Where?
Don't get that one in that little corner. I want to keep it.
This one? The decor looks are completed, but before you see how the dining room is decorated with them, I wanted to show you the space without the decor. Let's watch the finished look together. It's finally here. Yay! Grab your lemon water, sit back and relax. To keep your home uplifted and smelling amazing, use a blend of essential and fragrance oils with frankincense and myrrh resins. The bonus of doing things yourself, you save money so you can have more to invest in other meaningful things, etc., like travel, dinner dates, emergencies, financial investments, or even helping a family member or a friend if need be, or a charity. To see how I flipped the bar table set, street fine china cabinet, wall shelf, and a few other accessories, you can find the video at the end of this video and in our notes down below. I'll also include other videos in our notes that are referenced to this video. This is how things used to look before the entire transformation. I hope this video inspires you in your own perspective. You use your creativity, time, energy, and a small percentage of money to transform amazing things and areas in your home to be a blessing to you, your family, and guests. It's time to eat. Lights, camera, action. Bella is already eating. All right, let's dig in. So look. Thanks for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you on our next upload. Bye.